Okay, in this video I'll be showing you how to draw a bishop collar. You know, we have learned how to draw the normal shirt collar, so this one is just a bishop collar. It doesn't have the upper collar, and I don't want it to be straight the way we used to draw the normal under collar for shirt, so you have to pay a little attention to this. So the size that I'm doing is 15 inches. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. You can see that I've folded the pattern paper. So the first thing I will do is to measure 3 inches, which is going to be straight, 3 inches straight. I'll use my ruler to draw it to be straight. Then get your French curve, just put it there, and then you use your tape rule. You know, I'm doing 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5. So get your tape rule. I want to know where 7.5 will be curved. I hope you can see this is my 7.5 here. Here, this is 7.5 here. So this is where my 7.5 ends. So make sure you note that place. Then use your French curve to join a curve to that. You can see now, so I have a curve there. So the next thing you will do is just to measure 1.25 inches downward. You can also use 1.5 if it is for male. You can use 1.5, but if I'm doing female, I prefer to do 1 1/4, which is 1.25. So I measure 1.25 downward. Then I'll use my French curve to connect the lines, because they are curves. The curve can still connect it to connect the line. Just watch how I'm connecting the line. Then I'll use a straight line here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now, this lower line now, this is the lower part of the collar. This is the lower part of the collar. So I'm going to check 7.5 to know where 7.5 is. You can see the way I'm positioning my tape rule. So this is where 7.5 is. Just rule it off. We are almost done. It's very simple. Then get your French curve to do a curve at the edge. That is just about everything that you need to do. Then you just cut it out. Remember I said if you are doing for male, you can use a height of 1.5 inches. But when I'm doing for female, I don't usually like it to be too long. So I just use 1 1/4. Whatever you like, you can use. But just make sure it is not higher than 2 inches. Otherwise, it will look too high. I'm notching the mid part. Yes, so you can see that it is not straight like the shirt under collar. It is curved. So by the time you fix it, it will give you this kind of shape on the neckline of your shirt. So that's that. Go and try it out and let me